snack time.
Runner tonight. Benito al lado. No.
Taco for dog. Are you
If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Hey, can you guys sit?
My GF just got a dog, but I think the dog adopted her.
Oh my god.
So this dude found a wheel from a garbage can. No, you can't have it. Sit down.
Scooby. No.
I want waffle fries.
Let's go, kids. Let's go, kids. Hello. Hello.
Regular day, driving around with
My box full of puppies!
Hey, get the fuck out of here.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
He's sitting, standing, and laying down all at the same time.
Can I please take a nap?
Vincent?
Excuse me, please, we're poor. Please, we have to buy you food. Please, thank you so much.
Where the hell did he put those treats? I could have sworn there was... What the... Tim? It's 3:30. You're supposed to be at work. I'm just being a normal dog here.
Anyways, we're getting ready for your photo shoot today. Do you know you're ready? Alright. Let me get a smile. Ready? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Can I get a... Oh, yeah!
Really has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you...
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
He's actually doing that.
Where's the dog? That's not him. Shit. Oh!
Your tongue is so by your side. You got it to do long better. You got it to do long better.
Aren't you supposed to do something?
Do it.
Do it.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No.
Can I pet that dog?
No, he's
Can I
sleeping.
pet that dog?
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
I love you. I love you.
Ready to go?
Let it all go. If I let it all go, it's called free fall. It's called free fall. Kind of the day.
Can you give me a burp? That was so nice.
You want some peanut butter? No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Oh, there's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on.
Yes. I'm taking it.
Oh.
Come on, Liam.
Baby, they were too busy for a pup cup. I'm sorry.
down. So those are
Lorna.
First hike today. She's doing pretty good. Got a little tired. That's okay. She's doing great.
Kona. Oh shit. Kona. Oh my god. He's a real Mexican.
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
Get down. Stop. Stop. Are they stinky? Back here.
Oh my god. Yes. If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
I love you. This is our life. I love
Gigi! 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 How do you feel about what's happening with the world right now? Okay, love it.
Oh!
It's okay, buddy. It's okay. No.
Does your dog have normal eyes, or does your dog have strangely human eyes that make you think he's trapped the soul of a human?
I can't walk past the snake. I can't walk. Whoa.
Do something. Square up. You didn't do that. Neither did you. Buffalo. Say something. You say something. Shut your ass up. All right.
A toda la gente que fue. ¡A la verga! ¡Un perro con lentes, mamón! ¡Oh!
I need you to move. Move?
I want the other one. I haven't even had this toy for an hour.
Oh my god, you know what? This is really scary. Oogly boogly, bitch.
Nacho, that's not your seat. That's not your seat, Nacho. That's Leo's seat. Come on, move over. Nacho, that's Leo's seat. Move over, Nacho.
Have the dogs that love the water. And then you have the dogs that hate the water.
Look, Penelope. Look, there is nobody out here. Nobody. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look over here. There's nobody. Look over here. There's nobody.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Oh, there's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it.
The top is not all the way on. That was more than halfway full. Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go. It's not funny, but my dog is.
Oakley, come here. Come here.
the documents were in place. Buford, you listening? Now get this. That's when the subcommittee had to reallocate the funds, and then
Would you like a treat? Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh, honey. No. Oh, Liam.
Luna, can I get an I love you?
I noticed my dog has eyebrows.
Kaiser, what are you doing?
Yes, my phone. Please, we're poor. Please, we had to buy you food. Please, take this.
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
He's a good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
Ready to go?
Bubba go woo woo.
Oh, too loud.
Too loud. Good boy.
Kai.
No.
Come.
Thanks for holding the drinks.
You'll get a second one free. Sleep well, stay well. Sleep Country.
Ouais, t'es prêt, petit gars? Wouhou!
Gentle.
Oh my God.
If you don't do your bucking vocab and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
Ben. Stop. Stop. Whoa! Oh!
Taco for dog.
Spider! Spider! Where's the spider? Can you show me your booty?
Filming him, not her.
No, but she's too.
Who can say where the road goes, where the day
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Officer, how you doing? How are you, sir? Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir? Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
Oh my gosh, there's too many. Whiskey. Smile. Smile.
speak. Speak. Good boy.
Goddamn, man, these motherfuckers gave me this goddamn dog for free. Come to find out I speak Spanish. Come here, Snack. Vente. Siéntate. Dame la mano. Dame la mano. Move.
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me.
Heel. Boost. Stop. Stop.
You're a bad boy.
Where are you two? You're gonna go in timeout if you keep it up. Do you understand me?
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Pues mira que para tenerlo en una azotea.
Oh, great. Here we go again. Oh, no, 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 no.
He looks so cute.
I don't know what's happening, but something's happening.
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Oh! There's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it.
You don't know whose dog this is.
Officer, how you doing? How are you, sir? Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir? Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
What? What? What?
Come on, speak. Speak. Good boy.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking. No! No! No!
Pa. Thanks, Jasper.
Look at my son. Pride is not the word I'm looking for.
Did you just vandalize the car? Is that you?
Sam! Sam! What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
Today's episode of How Gay's My Dog. Here's a sausage, Bailey. Would you like it?
Why your bark sound like that?
Oh my god.
Aren't you supposed to do something? Don't you step on the flowers. It's Layla.
Don't do your bucking vocab, and we lose the vocab bowl, I kill the dog.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I think you guys are backwards.
Hey, let me trade spots.
Gunner. 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 Gunner.
So what? You using the cat tower now? What? You gonna get up on the fridge with her next? You gonna jump up on the fridge? It's your cat? You think you?
Thanks, Kane.
Bark at your dog.
Whoa! Oh.
No bright.
That's what I thought.
This family makes me want to murder people.
Oakley. Yes. Oakley, come here. Come here.
Rispondi a questi gatti. Brava, che vuoi? Diglielo. Ah, che sono cattivi. Dici, tu sei troppo educato. Siediti. Siediti.
Good job, Lucy.
Oh, crazy! Oh, God!
What are you doing? What are you doing, Bean Bean?
She is literally showing her dog the weather report to show him that it's not raining tomorrow.
You?
Agents to do a higher volume of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer and say, why don't you decide? What?
How the fuck did y'all get on the roof? Are y'all serious? Your expression. Do it again.
please take a nap?
They making your chicken tenders? Chicken tendies.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marshall. Happy birthday to you.
You want some peanut butter? No? Alright, that's fine. I won't give it to you. Oh.
This is Benji. This is Benji sleeping. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to wake you, boy. Benjamin.
Kona. Oh shit. Kona. Oh my god. He's a real Mexican.
Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
Excuse me, I have an appointment for today. Oh.
¿Y no insisto?
Hello. Can I help you?
Can I get the dude to stop following me? Ever.
Är det roligt? Nej men gud.
Look, Penelope. Look, there is nobody out here. Nobody. Do you see that? Do you see that? Look over here. There's nobody. Look over here. There's nobody. There is nobody out here.
My loneliness is killing me, and I must confess I still believe.
Hey, let me get one too. Hey, let me hold one. Yeah, man, right there. What the dog do?
Yo, why she don't listen? It's because she speaks Spanish. What? Yo, Prada, sit. Siéntate. What the fuck?
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
Hey, what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
Oh, there's a fucking dog. Can I have it? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it.
You don't know whose dog this is?
Jura, Shena, far. Georgie. Georgie. Shena, far. Shena, loco na carnito.
I got the dog food for you. Yep, yep.
Good boy. Did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay? You okay?
I'm alive. I'm dead. I'm watching TV. I'm looking at you. Fuck you. I'm dead again.
To the vet right now, but whoever bumped my dog upside the head with a cartoon hammer, I will find you, and I'll make sure tries to do pat.
Oh, small fellow. No, you go straight on, mate. You go straight on.
Digger, good job. Well done. Good boy.
Come on, Jigule.
You can expect these kind of repercussions as long as you keep trying to poach our people.
Bella, come on. Yay. You guys want a treat? Treat.
Taco for dog.
Normal dogs. And then there's Bella.
Mama, come here, brother, and I'll cook you. Look, come here. Look at him. Look.
Why you snitching?
He ate all the cookies. Mama, punish him. Look.
Winnie's ears are long enough that they sit in her food when she's eating now and get dirty, so I'm gonna have to start tying her ears back when she eats. You're not gonna like that. Are you okay?
Judah, that's the squeaker!
I can't help you at the moment, dude. I'm a little indisposed.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's sick, boy!
Did you just vandalize the car? Was that you?